Fucking bastard, he's right over there. Looks like I'm out, boys, for the rest of this. Is it right, 3 hits and we're out?
No, it's unlimited. We need 5 in here before you can go back out.
Oh, right.
Your dust cover's open when you're done. Maybe popping out of there.
Viking are stuck in respawn at the minute. I'm not allowed back out until there's 5 blokes in the castle.
Yeah, I think that might be my brother's. Not even an actual. I'll put it down here. I'm going to put it in the webbing in case it is his, but if not, someone's missing one, okay? Then I got something like that. So if someone else comes up from the lost one, I'll put it. Not even remotely, I think. Even though finally PTS are now making the PET